everybody, welcome my dear students. In this lesson we are going to solve the ministerial examination questions of mathematics for distinguished school. Look at that is ministerial examination of mathematics. Question 1, part A, about mapping. Question A, part 1, assume the two mappings. First mapping f from z to z, where f of x equal 3x plus 1, and second mapping g from z to z, where g of x equal 2x plus 5. Find the value of x. Find the value of x if f compose g x equal 28. Look at that question is from your book, that's from understanding. Make sure of your understand, page 12. That is question 6. Look at that is the question 6 is ministerial questions in first row. Because f compose g x equal 28, then f of g of x equal 28, then by replace by f of x the value g of x is 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5, 28. Replace 2x plus 5 by any x in function rule f of x, then 3, that is x, replaced by 2x plus 5, close the bracket, and complete plus 1 equal 28. That is equation. We are going to solve the equation by use distributive. 3 times 2x, 6x, plus 3 times 5, 15, plus 1 plus 28. 6x, 15 plus 1, 16 equal 28. 6x equal 28 minus 16 by use active inverse. 6x equal 12 divided by 6, then 6x divided by 6x, 12 divided by 6, to that is value of x. That is value of x. Dear students, look at the typical answers. Look at that typical answer. This typical answers. This steps is 6 degree, and this steps is 4 degree. Other question from question 2, part A. Choose the correct answer for the following. Look at that. Part B from question 2. Choose the correct answer for the following. That question number 1. 2y minus 3 all square equal what? A 4y square minus 6y plus 9, or B y square plus 12y minus 9, or C 4y square minus 12y plus 9, or D y square plus 6y plus 9. Look at that is subject is perfect square. Perfect square. Look at 2y minus 3 equal all square equal, by use perfect square root to first term 4y square minus 2 times first term times second terms, 2 times 2y 4y times 3 12y plus always first term and second term the sign is positive. Then second term square 9, 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Then the correct answer is C, 4y square minus 12y plus 9. That is correct answer, part C. Look at the division answers. Look at the division answer. This question 2y minus 3 all square equal 4y square minus 12 plus 9 has 5 degree, and second choosing also 5 degree. Another question from also question 2 part B number 2. Look at that is P part B. Choose the correct answer for the following. Number 2, 10x square minus 11x plus 1. What factoring? 5x minus 1 times 2x plus 1, or B 10x plus 1 times x minus 1, or C 5x plus 1 times 2x minus 1, or D 10x minus 1 times x minus 1. By use experiment, that is a question from your book, from multiple choice. That's a question 6 from multiple choice at page 105. That is question from your book, from multiple choice, question 6, page 108. By use experiment, 10x square minus 11x plus 1 equal, by use experiment open two bracket, 10x square it's come from 10x times x, and what 1 it come from 1 times 1. That is sign is minus, then the sign is minus. That is factoring by experiment. Look at negative 1x, negative 1 times s, negative 1x, negative 1 times negative 1 times 10, negative 10x. By adding negative 11x, then that is the second term, then the answer is correct. Look at that is answer. Then what choosing? A, because the sign is different, not A, and not B because the sign is different, and not C because the sign is different. Yes, it is choosing D. That is correct answer. That is correct answer. Look at the division in answers. Look at that is question 10x squared minus 11x plus 1 has 5 degree. Has 5 degree. Go to other question. Other question is question 3. Question 3 part A. Write the following expression. Look at that question 3 part A. Question 3 part A. Write the following expression in same list form. Y squared minus 125 over 2y cubic minus 16 divided by y minus 5 divided by 2y squared plus 4y plus 8. Then y squared minus 25 over 2y cubic minus 16 divided by y minus 5 2y squared plus 4y minus 8. First step, change the division to multiplication. Change the division to multiplication. Y squared minus 25 over 2y cubic minus 16 times, and change the fraction denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator. 2y squared plus 4y plus 8 over y minus 5 by use factoring for all terms. Y squared minus 25 by use difference between two square. Difference between two square. Y squared y 25 square root 25 5 plus minus this expression by use factoring by use greatest common factor is 2. That is 2, and also 16 divided by 2. 2y squared divided by 2y cubic. 16 divided by 2, 8. That is time. This also is found the greatest common factor. Factoring by greatest common factor is 2. 2y squared divided by 2y squared plus 4y divided by 2 squared 2y plus 8 divided by 2 4 close the bracket and keep y minus 5. And also found this expression I can factoring by difference between 2 cubic because the factoring to simplest form y plus 5 y minus 5 2 is keep, but that is expression y cubic minus 8 by using difference between two cubic, then bracket small and big bracket, square root y cubic y, same the sign, cubic root 8 2, then y square inverse the sign plus y times 2y plus square 2 4. That is factoring by using difference between 2 cubic time 2 skip y square minus 2y plus 4. That is term is not factoring. Y minus 5. By using simplify, y minus 5 simplify with y minus 5, and also y square plus 2y plus 4 with y square plus 2y plus 4. 2 with 2, what keeping also y plus 5 over y minus 5, keeping here equal what, keeping here y plus 5 and also y minus 2. That is answer to this question. Dear students, look at the topical answers and look at the division of degrees. Look at the division of degrees. This step 2 degree, and this is step 4 degrees, and this is step 2 degrees, and this step is 2 degrees. Question that is from question 4, part A, about sequence, arithmetic sequence. Look at that is a question 4. Choose to only part A, about sequence. Look at, dear students, that is a question from your book, from make sure of your understanding, page 16. This question 9, this question from your book, question 9. Question 4, choose to only part A, find the terms between U8 8 terms and U12 12 terms for an arithmetic sequence in which the third term is 8 and D equal -2. D, that is common difference, الأساس. Look at that is question from your book. By using general law, UN equal A plus N minus 1 times D. Times D. UN is U9. N, what N? 9. D, common difference, what? -2, but not found A. The A is not found. We will going to found A by same the law, general law, UN equal A plus N minus 1 times D. By using this help information, this third term equal 9, third term equal 9, then N equal 3, LU3 equal 9, LD common difference is same -2 because that is same sequence. U3 equal A plus N 3 minus 1 times D, D -2. U3 is 9, that is 9, A plus 3 times 3 minus 1, 2 times -2, A equal A positive times negative minus 2 times 2, 4. then A equal then A plus 4 equal A. 9 plus 4 equal 13, that is A, and replace A here. A equal 13, then A equal 13 plus what n? N to 9 terms is 9. 9 minus 1, D common difference is negative 2, same the sequence. U 9 equal 13 plus 9 minus 1, 8 times negative 2, U 9 equal 13 positive times negative minus 8 times 2 16, then U 9 equal 13 minus 16 negative 3, negative 3, that is U 9. He want the terms between U 8 and U 9, then he want U 9 and U 10 and U 11, U 11, that is U 9, then U 10, that is from negative 3 plus common difference is negative 2 equal negative 5. U 11, that is come from U 10 plus common difference negative 2 equal negative 7, that is U 9 and U 10 and U 12, that is the terms between U 8 and U 12. Look at, my dear student, look at the typical answer and look at the division of answer. This 1 degree and this is step 3 degrees, and U 9 20 degrees, U 10 2 degrees, U 9 2 degrees, U 12 U 11 2 degrees. 2 times plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal 10. Look at from these steps I can solve this direct. U 10 is U 9 plus common difference direct, negative 5, and also U 11 U 10 plus D, negative 5 plus negative 2, negative 7, that is other method. Other question is a question for part C about discriminative. Look at, that is part C, question 4 part C. What is the value of constant k which makes the two roots of the equation x square minus bracket k plus 4 times x equal negative 8 equaled? The two roots is equaled. He want what the value of constant k by using the discriminative. I write the equation by general law. Look at x square minus k plus 4 times x by using additive inverse plus 9 equals 0. By using this discriminative, he want what A, what B, and what C. A is a coefficient of x square 1, B is a coefficient of x equal negative k plus 4. C equal 9. What the discriminative? Because the two roots is equal, then the discriminative delta equal 0. What the law of discriminative? B square minus 4ac equal c. That is B, that is A, and that is C. B negative k plus 4 all square minus 4 times A. What A? A equal 1 times C. What C? Equal 9 equals 0. We will going to solve the equation to find the value of k. Negative square, negative times negative positive. Then keep k plus 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 9, 36 equals 0. By using the difference between two square, then square root k plus 4 square, keep k plus 4 plus square root 36, 6 other bracket, square root k plus 4 minus 6 equal 0. By using difference between two square, square root to first time, square root to second term. Then k plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. K 4 minus 6 negative 2 equal 0. Then by using either or, either k plus 10 equals 0, then k equal negative 10, or k minus 2 equals 0, then k equal 2. That is value of k equal 2, and k equal negative 10. That is answer of this question. Look at the topical answer. Look at the topical answer and look at the division of degrees. This is step and this is step, and A, B, C, it has 3 degrees. Use a rule and difference between two square, 3 degrees, and this is step to find the value of k. It has 4 degrees, then 10 degrees. That is topical answer. Is a question 5. Question 5 is very important about find the solution of the system in R by using method of substitution. Look at that is question 5. Choose to only. Part A is very important in ministerial equations. Find the solution set for the system in R by using the method of substitution. He want only by this method of substitution. Look at the question in your book, from your book. That is a question from make sure of your understanding. That is question 6. Y minus 5 by using distribution at page 68. Substitution Then look at, name the first equation 1, name the second equation 2. From equation 1, then y equal 10 plus 5x. From this equation, y minus 5x equal 10, then y equal 10 plus 5x. That is named equation 3. By substitution 3 in 1, 3 in 2, 3 in 2, 3 in 2, that is 2. Y minus 3x equal 8, that is y. 10 plus 5x minus 3x equal 8. Go to here. That is equation. We will going to solve the equation to find value of x. 5x minus 3x, 2x, 8, that is minus 10 by using additive inverse. 2x equal 8 minus 10, negative 2 divided by 2, then x equal negative 1. That is value of x. Substitution in what? In 3. Substitution in 3. This 3. Then y equal 10 plus 5 times x. What x? X is negative 1. Replace value of x. Replace value of x. Negative 1 in x. 10 times 5 times 1 minus x equal 10. Positive times negative minus 5 times 1, 5. Y equal 10 minus 5, 5. That is value of 5. What the solution? Solution of this system is order pair. S solution is a group, set group is order pair. First coordinate value of x negative 1. Second coordinate is value of y is 5. Yes, that is solution set for the system in R negative 1, 5. Look at, dear students, look at the topical answer. Look at the topical answer. That is part A. That is, this step is 2 degrees, and this steps 6 degrees, and this step is 1 degree, and the result final is 1 degrees. That is topical answer to that question. That is question 6 about absolute value inequality. Absolute value inequality, part P. That is part P. Solve the absolute value inequality, then represent the solution on the line of number. Absolute z minus 1 over 4 greater than or equal 3. By using rule of absolute greater than, z minus 1 over 4 greater than or equal, or z minus 1 over 4 less than or equal negative 3. That is the rule of absolute with greater than. We solve each inequality of the question by times two sides by 4, then z minus 1 greater than or equal 12, or z minus 1 less than or equal negative 12, then z greater than or equal 12 plus 1 by using additive inverse. or z less than or equal negative 12 plus 1, also by using additive inverse, then z greater than or equal 13 or z less than or equal negative 12 plus 1, negative 11, then S1 equal Z such that Z greater than or equal 13, S2 equal Z such that Z less than or equal 11. Final solution is union from S1 union S2, S1 union S2 because that is OR. If we and use intersection because that is OR, then use union. S1 is Z such that Z greater than or equal 13, union solution 2 Z such that Z less than or equal 11 by using straight line represent because he want, then represent the solution on the line of number or straight line, that is negative 11 and that is 13. Because that is OR, then the solution that is Z is greater than less than 11 and Z greater than from 13, and found, because found equal, then replace the circle, put the circle, bend the circle. Look at negative, that is representation the solution set on the line of number or straight line. Finish or look at the topical examination. Look at that is a question, topical of exam. This step has 4 degrees and this step has 3 degrees, and solution final has 1 degrees, and representation in number line it has 2 degrees. That is final of examination to first part of mathematics. Thank you for watching.